Hello, everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Couples these days, some when they marry, some go say they don't like children. They go say they don't want anything wey go disturb them. But why some? Because of their job, their nature of job, or the way that they work, or the time, everything, they'll say no, this thing go disturb them. They don't want children. So everybody get their own way wey go fit make them happy. But why someday when they marry, they like children, they'll say they want children. So many people dey like gone of the days. If you marry 2 3 years, you not get anything to show. Maybe your mother-in-law go say, no, you're not fit to be. Go won't send you out. But now things not be like that again. Everybody like to dey happy. Whether children or no children, then they happy. They'll say then they happy like that. Like one man, I used to know this man. He's a very good friend, family friend. This man come marry. As he marry, na him with him wife, they don't date together for years. So not just one day, the lady come talk say, look, he like children. But now, he want her own. He want something where go they move the house, where go they move the home. They don't date for more than 10 years. But one thing be say, wetin disturb the woman now the kind of job when she dey work. No time. And even if she get the time, and if she get children or child, but because of the time, who she go leave the child with, and she no want that thing. She want to take care of her child. She want to take care of her home. So she discuss with her husband. Her husband come say, okay, if she say she want am this way, okay, so then they accept. So when this lady come dey pregnant, quarter to when she wan deliver, the doctor come call her, come tell her say, look, something dey go wrong with the child. When you hear that thing, and this na something wey go make you dey happy, that pains when you go take hear the news no go make you dey happy. So the doctor come tell am say, look, this child go get problem, and this thing go deform the child. So we discuss with the lady like that, say, see, the lady talk to the man. But nothing she go fit do this time, because na time to give birth. Now the lady come ask the doctor, say, why all this time? Why this doctor not discover this thing? The doctor said the thing not quick show when during the time of scanning, all those things like that. So when this lady give birth to this child, she discovered, say, true, the thing not as she expects. But now child, nothing she go fit do. So she accept her child, they happy like that. But deep down, she not dey happy. So she call her husband one day, say, look, now all her life she go take care of this her son. But now wetin she gets. So now the husband come decide and say, okay, if na so, make they adopt. The lady come agree, they come adopt. So as time they go like that, the lady come discover, say, this their child when they adopt, not they friendly with their own child. When they small, now this Marco, now be the adopted child. They beat their son. They push him, not they want come close to him. No, the Marco start this thing when they young. So they feel say maybe like that now children something, that they try to stop him, they try to talk to him like that. But when Marco complete 14 years, this lady discovers, say, not as they think. Marco they too rude. No, they won't come close to they won't accept this boy like his own brother. Just every time they mock the boy, you know. So this thing can affect this lady. This lady not like this situation anymore. The lady can call Marco say, look, they adopt you. But this adoption, he not claim say they adopt you. He accept you from our own heart. But why come now? You dey push him own son, him own blood. You dey push am out. Every time you dey mock am. Say, do you not think, say, this in child now get right past you from this house? So when the boy hear this thing, the boy not dey happy. So the her husband come call Marco, talk to Marco, make Marco understand say dem be brothers. Even if they adopt am sef, but for everything, for written and everything, show say dem be brothers. Say so, make e no dey mock im brother again. Make e no dey let pipu dey scare the brother with every time we carry something, try to dey whip, dey flog, dey punch im brother just because the brother no fit defend himself. He say no, make e stop. So when they tell Marco this thing, Marco no dey happy. Every time he go say yes because dem adopt am, na make dem no wan accept am for who im be, for wetin im dey do. Dem no wan accept am. But not true, not true. Marco just dey bad. If dem go through look history of Marco, they'll see say something dey go wrong with Marco. Even the deformed child, when they dey even talk about sef, even dey better pass Marco for brain, for everything. But Marco no wan accept that. So, but with all these things, they go like this, the problem for the home. So Marco adopted mother come talk to her husband, say, look, he want make dem return Marco back. But how come you go fit return this child now? Wey don stay with you for years, and na 3 months una take adopt this child. Why you wan return am back? The woman say she no dey happy again. Marco dey make him dey look sad. Say so he want make Marco go out from the home. But if Marco wan go out, just let's assume Marco don complete 18. Marco fit go. But now Marco is under 18. So Marco, e no fit send Marco out. So he beg im husband, say make dem put am for all this resident home or anywhere they know say dem fit put Marco, make dem send Marco there. But for im home, he no want Marco again. But so later, the husband tried to talk to our wife, tried to talk to Marco, tried to make peace for the home, but the problem still continue. The problem, every day, the problem, the worst. So all of a sudden, the woman just pack her load, say no, she won't divorce. Either Marco leave or she leave. You know, this thing dey too difficult for the man to accept. So the man tried to convince her wife, but the woman no accept. So the man say he no fit send Marco because Marco na his son, and he no like make Marco go again. So who you want send out now? The lady decided to leave. Say he prefer to carry his own child when he born than to carry somebody when he adopt to take or to bring up to help. But now that person they destroy her whole happiness. So she decided to leave. But sometimes when you look this thing, that thought not really come like that from this woman. Now the put am just this way. Now the feelings when this woman gets. And if Marco they continue to destroy the home, they mock her own son, you know how painful this thing will be when she see how the treatment when Marco they give her own son. The only thing when they for do, they for only take Marco go where or who or any place, just make them try to make Marco understand the situation of things. Because actually, Marco not really dey good for brain. Not say because they whip the pikin, they punch her. No, they for check, they for carry and go specialist. Make them check Marco, make them really know, and make them know Marco history, the parents, make them know the history of Marco. But the man no accept, no one hear that thing. Say 14 years, imagine 14 years and somebody where you don't date all your life with. Now, something just come for one day just to destroy your happiness. Sometimes, we people or worldly people, they make mistake. Many they make mistake just because of fantasy. So thank you, viewers. If you love my video, just give me thumbs up and subscribe me and have a blessed day.